Accidents in the workplace can be costly, harmful, and sometimes even deadly. But one company in New Carlisle is on a mission to change all that. STE, Safety Through Engineering, is bringing together industry experts to create a consulting firm unlike any other.
I've been considering my a dream of having this business basically since childhood. I had a roofing company when I was 13 years old. Me and my family came from construction companies. I'm like the fourth generation contractor, and as you can see in the background, my brother is a general contractor. He's building some of these buildings for us. And my sister owns an asphalt company, and my dad was a general contractor, so it just kind of comes natural, it's in my blood. So I've always wanted to incorporate an engineering company and relate it very closely to safety and construction and general industry and security, how to blend that all together.
Under Wright's leadership, Safety Through Engineering has become the new industry standard for safety in the workplace.
The STE Inc. name came from, I wanted to highlight the fact that safety through engineering, you can eliminate some of these safety hazards that we as engineers through the United States have been creating and not realizing. For example, if you have a security camera on top of a factory or an office building, maintenance has to go up there, and there's no protection for those maintenance people, whether adjusting the camera, cleaning the lens, or whatever they're doing. Those issues should have been designed out in the original design drawings. That's one example of how our company is different. We integrate safety for the maintenance as well as for construction. Well, my planning through time for my company, it was good that I waited till after I had 30 years of experience. Well, our company is made up of structural engineers and licensed certified safety professionals, and what we do, we actually want to be on the construction sites. We want to work with general industry and construction.
The bottom line is they want to save people's lives. The technology enables them to do that much more quickly. Most of my focus is on the safety end. I do structural engineering projects, but most of my projects are fall protection.
Learning how to work safe in an environment not only protects the worker, but it's giving the company a competitive edge in the marketplace.
The benefit we bring to our client, especially when we're talking about fall hazard surveys and assessments, is the advancements in technology that we've incorporated into that. We're able to come alongside them and use their current technology, and we basically combined our assessment process with that technology.
Some of the examples we've had good success with is, for example, would be Disneyland, where we've found issues in their rides that not for guest safety, but for maintenance safety that needs to be considered. Other ones we've worked with Lockheed Martin on issues of how they assemble their satellites. We work with them on how they change the windshields of an aircraft, a 747 or a 777, and the way they were doing it wasn't in the safest way, and we helped them to create actually a safer procedure and a faster procedure, so maintenance as well as management is happy with that.
We work with them as a team. We don't come in as the expert that knows more than they do. We come in as the expert resource that is part of their team.
We're very proud of the success that we've been able to achieve these past 4 years. The benefits of being with a small business is more freedom to explore the opportunities and establish your vision and to make things come true at a quicker pace. I've been allowed more freedom to secure articles, to talk with people, to try new techniques so that we're moving along in the 21st century with our clients. That way, as they progress, and we know that we're providing the best services possible for them to use.
Well, my dream was always to have a hands-on facility that you can actually show the people how to train, and most of the people on the construction sites and general industry sites are hands-on kind of people, and they visually learn. So I wanted to have simulations of them climbing on different objects, climbing up a wall or walking steel or setting steel deck. That way that they can learn from hands-on.
Our training facility is unique in that we've taken a step back from the word training and we're incorporating the word practicum.
And we actually have models where they can simulate climbing up a wall, they can simulate pouring concrete, setting steel deck, working on maintenance items, and how to properly connect their fall protection equipment or how to check the air properly. We also have rope rescue and rope descent where they can have to come down off of an object and say like inspecting a bridge, a suspension bridge, how to do that safely. All those things are what is in that training facility. That's something that's been my dream for years to do that.
We try to make it fun, we try to make it interactive, but most of all, we want to make certain that learning occurs.
I see a need out there to actually take the OSHA requirements, which is sometimes hard to understand, and actually show the people how to do this. And if you do it properly, it actually makes the job safer, they make more money when they do that, and it's a win for both of them. The people get to go home with to their families, the employers, it goes faster, they can make more money with it.
Some students, depending on their discipline, may come into a training session feeling that it's mandatory versus a course that they want to take. However, as through our discussions and our demonstrations and the content, they slowly begin to see how this applies to their job. And in being able to do their job better, they feel more comfortable and more confident in not only what they learn, but what they can offer their company when they return.
We bring the state of the art to our clients, so the clients are benefit. I understand what the clients do. Yeah, I've done it before. And you get a common bond there and a common respect.
Training is a viable profit center for STE. As the company grows, our training services and programs are growing along with it. We see it as an introduction so clients understand how closely engineering and safety work together. We see it in advising our clients, such as you'll see trends as green buildings. We believe the trend of safe buildings is true as well.
I get a lot of thank yous. A lot of it is in repeat business. We measure our success by the continued relationship with our clients, from the first project to the everyday helping them whenever they call us.
Learning how to work safe in an environment not only protects the worker, but it's giving the company a competitive edge in the marketplace.
And when you come out of college, you're very high theoretical, and sometimes you don't know how it all fits together. So through time and working with these contractors in general industry, I know what they do. And I know how to use an aerial lift, and I know how to do scaffolding, and I know how they walk on the wings of aircraft and all those things. So each client that I work with is different, whether it's satellites or whether we're doing presses in a machinery or we're working in this country or different countries. I always learn from all these clients to make us better and more improved.
Safety through engineering has already set a new standard for safety in the workplace and will continue to break new ground through their integration of safety, training, and engineering.
A lot of my innovations have been taken. I've seen that we've been able to change the industry in fall protection, for example, and we've changed the industry in confined space. And actually the training of people, we've actually trained and changed that industry through OSHA. It's a win-win for everybody.
We are proud to present Safety Through Engineering, this year's Entrepreneurial Business Award.